So the U.S. Supreme Court has been captured by a foreign power, specifically Vladimir Putin, and it may have captured the White House too. And I know what you're saying. Oh, but Joe Biden is against Putin in a war. Well, no, Joe Biden and Putin are both having a war against the Ukrainian people and Russian soldier grunts. Um, if Biden was against Putin, he would have arrested Putin's puppy, Trump. He would have put Putin's puppy in the pound. He called Trump Putin's puppy to his face and in front of 60 million people, but he hasn't acted like that since. So it's like they're working together to hurt us. So yeah, he may have captured the White House too. Otherwise, Biden would have arrested Trump by now. But what we've got is obviously the Supreme Court. Now, if you understand that Trump is Putin's puppet, that his picks for the Supreme Court are also Putin's puppets, they should be removed for that because they were appointed by a traitor and have been traitors. But we have 6 justices who have betrayed America by voting down Roe versus Wade. And 3 of them were there before. The 3 who were appointed by Trump, yeah, obviously. Hopefully the J6 Commission will root that out and get them removed for being traitors, for being pawns and puppets of Putin. But they might just come up with a strongly worded letter. So we need to talk about what's really going on. And that, yeah, even though Alito and Clarence Thomas were there before, Clarence Thomas never said anything that Alito didn't say before. As far as I remember, Clarence Thomas never said anything outside of what Alito has said. But Clarence Thomas stepped forward this time, and after they struck down Roe versus Wade, they said, hey, I'm going to strike down gay marriage and make rape legal, I think, like strike down consent laws. And he also wants to ban contraception and probably some other things too. But to even come out and say that is not characteristic of him. And I don't think the wording is, I don't know how he talks, honestly, because like I said, he never really says anything. He just agrees with Alito. Now, Alito is probably also a pawn of, if not a pawn of Putin, they both are pawns of the same ideology, because the pro-life ideology is what gave rise to World War II Germans. So Putin is a traitor to Russia and 20 million Russians that were killed in World War II as well, just as Trump are traitors to the Americans, America and the Americans killed in that war, to bring that ideology back here. But all that ideology came from Horatio Storer in the 1800s in America. Point being that they betrayed us, and Clarence Thomas has at least made it clear his wife was a Trump Putineer trying to overthrow the government, and is stepping out and being really obvious that he's working for Putin. So maybe we should start there, but also with the other ones Trump appointed, but start a precedent of removing people from the Supreme Court. Thank you.